Hey, how you doing? What I'm doing right now is I'm just making some chicken wraps, I guess. So here's my chicken, my knife that I used to open the bacon. Now I'm going to put my chicken in the microwave. Now I'm going to cook my bacon. And our chicken's almost done. And I'm going to put like mayonnaise and cheese on that. And then I'm going to show you how to wrap that up. Alright, we're going to flip our bacon. Bacon's almost done, looking good. Yum! Bacon! Oh my god! Bacon, stop sticking together! The bacon's mating! I'm gonna have more bacon in here than I was planning because they're gonna have baby bacon. Alright, now I put a dollop of mayo on each one and spread it out. Looks good. Alright, now I'm going to put some chicken on here. Careful, there's hot chicken. Okay, well, you don't have to be careful, but I do. Alright, don't forget a salt and pepper. Now we're going to add the bacon. 3 strips on each. That looks good. I think we need something else. What do we need? And that's how we're going to lay our cheese on that one, just like that. And we're going to wrap her up in just 1 second. Alright, first thing we do, we center it, and fold it in on the sides, like that. Roll it up on the top, pulling it in with our fingers, roll in the small little corners, and then just keep rolling, just like that. I'll do that again for you. Okay. Pull in the sides. Up and over, fold this bottom part in, right in there like that. Fold that bottom, these corners in, and keep rolling. And if you want to cut them, you can either cut it straight across like this, or you can cut it on an angle like that. There you go. There you go. We have our sandwich.
She always claimed to be a pig.